Hello everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome back to another live tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I am making another card using the gorgeous Simply Marbelous designer series paper from our Sale-a-bration event. This is going on for January and February 2022. And for every $50 you spend, you can get a free item. We also have a couple of $100 level items, but this is for only $50 in product, and you can get this pack of 48 sheets free. Let me show you real quick what they look like. We have pinks, let's just get these in here, yellows, purples, blues, well, kind of like aqua blues, this Pool Party and Coastal Cabana. We have some grays and then blues. Beautiful. So one side is kind of a shimmery satin type pattern, and then the other side is this gorgeous marble, and they're not all the same. So if you look at this pink and the yellow, they are not the same images, just with different colors, completely different images. So you get 8 sheets of each, and then I am pairing them, which this is my favorite set to pair them with. Although I've used them with other things, but I love the Love and Happiness bundle. It's great for any type of occasion, for Valentine's, wedding, anniversary, engagement, wedding, bridal shower, anything. It's gorgeous. Okay, so today we are going to make the cutest, fastest anniversary card you can think of. All right, so we have just a half sheet of thick basic white. So we're going to fold that in half and burnish that. All right, so that's our base done. Then we have this layer. It's 4 by 5 1/4 of just basic white cardstock. We're going to do just a little bit of scoring. So I'm going to take this, grab a score tool. So this is 4 inches here by 5 1/4. So on the 4-inch side, you're going to find your middle, which is 2, and I'm going to go 3/4 of an inch out from each side of 2. So that would be 1 1/4, and then 2 3/4. And then I'm going to go 1/8 of an inch on either outside of either end. So we have score lines at 1 1/8, 1 1/4, then 2 3/4, and 2 7/8. Okay, that's all the scoring we're going to do. All right, now I'm going to leave it like this with the indent on the front. If you like, you can flip it over and use it with the, the little mountain score on this side. But I kind of like this one. All right, so what I have done is taken the small heart die out of the die set, and I have die cut one of each color of these hearts. And what's great, because it's a designer series paper, I can cut through 3 layers at once. I've cut through, this is purple. I've got, here it is, the blue, the greenish blue. So I can get, so it only took me 2 passes in the die cutting machine, and I cut out all 6. So this is so easy. We're going to start right in the center. We're going to put all of our hearts in here. So I'm going to use my seal adhesive, and we're just going to start gluing some of these down. You can use your Tombow if you want. All right, I'm kind of overlapping, raising them up, staggering them in different kind of elevations on the card. Make sure we get enough there. Let's do this one. Well, maybe we'll angle that one there. Let's start on the other side now, the other end. I'll get this bumblebee color down. Let's put this one kind of down at the bottom. And we'll do blue. Maybe put this one up here, kind of there, and then we've got this purple. Put this one maybe going down this direction. Yay! So cute. It's all different colors. So next I'm going to take in basic gray. I'm going to pull from this gray. Plus this is probably the darkest out of the group. And I am going to use, not that one, I'm going to use Celebrating Your Anniversary. So we're just going to stamp this. Now you could stamp it to the side. I'm going to stamp right in the middle, hopefully. Right below our double score line. Hopefully straight. Pretty straight. All right, and then on the inside, I'm going to use this sentiment that says, a wonderful marriage is the collection of many small happy moments, which I love this because hearts are happy. We've got many colors, many moments in your life. You know, some people associate different emotions with different colors. So I'm just going to stamp that on the inside. I'm going to close that up. Going to just adhere this to the front. All right. Perfect. And then I'm going to bring in some more of my iridescent rhinestones. And I did find my pick tool, which was actually just right on my desk. Can you believe that? Of course. Okay. So I think we're going to put just a few of these kind of scattered around. I'll put one up here, put one maybe right here, and then one more maybe, we'll try right there. Just kind of add a little bit of shine and shimmer to that. And that's it. That is all we're going to do. Isn't that cute? You could make up a whole bunch of these really quickly. So, I love this. All right, that is it for today. If you want measurements and instructions, not very hard, but if you need those, they're posted below with a link to my blog. And then this paper can be yours for free this month with a $50 order. And I will also send you a free embellishment in the mail. So thanks so much. Make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And I will see you Monday. All right. Bye, everyone.